As the summer season already knocked on the door, AliExpress come across with their exclusive summer deals in this 2022. You can get up to 80% discount if you purchase something within 1st of July. Preparation period has been started from 21st of June, the warm-up period will last till 26th of June, and the main sale period will last from 27th June to 1st of July. So hurry up if you don't want to miss that chance. In this video, I will introduce you with some of the products which are mostly applicable for the summer season. Summer season cannot be defined without natural fruit juice. To make your life easy, I come across with a Home Geek portable blender that features 58% exclusive discount that can turn fruits into juice and smoothies anytime, anywhere. This machine features safety lock technology, 1-button easy operation, and 4 stainless steel powerful blades that can prepare juice in a minute. You just need to cut your favorite fruit or vegetables, put them in the bottle, and add water or milk, depending on your taste. Now, it's time to blend them all together, and here is your juice and smoothies are ready to drink. The bottle can also be used to carry outside so that you can drink in the hot weather. I have discussed about juice blender, but if I don't introduce with a coffee maker machine, that would not be justifying for coffee lovers. Here you go with this awful hot and cold coffee maker by Hebrew with 53% rare discount offer. You will get NES adapter, DG adapter, ground coffee adapter, and e-spot adapter that allows you feel the different taste of coffees as your demand. Once you long press the power button for 2 seconds, it will activate into cold drink mode. And quick press power button will activate hot drink mode. So, select your flavor and enjoy summer season coffee time. Summer season without a portable mini fan, I cannot just imagine. Introducing you with a 3-speed adjustable, battery-powered mini fan with 34% flat discount. If you are struggling with the hot humid weather, this mini fan will be your friend until you feel better. Even if you are at outdoor, reading magazines in your home, or working on your desk, this rechargeable fan will always keep you cool for up to 6 hours. It's time to choose your favorite color, depending on your taste and environment. Homeowners always looks for portable air conditioner that will match their budget. Well, I am here with an awful mini air conditioner with 54% budget saving discount offer. Just plug the device using power bank, notebook, or USB charger, fill water in the tank, and drop an ice cube. Now you are ready to go. Long press the start button and hold for 3 seconds, it will start delivering you cold air, which will fully reduce hot environment. It has 7 colors changing nightlight that significantly improves your mood and environment. Manual air adjusting knob helps distribute air as per requirement. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart your favorite item right now and grab this limited time discount offer until it finishes off. Check the description for more deals that will enhance your shopping experience.